Hi everyone, today we'll talk about the IPO of Amanta Healthcare, a Ahmedabad-based pharma company that just went public. We will cover what the company does, why its IPO matter, what the numbers are, and whether it could be interesting for investors. Amanta Healthcare has been around since 1994. It specializes in producing sterile liquid pharmaceuticals. Things like IV fluids, diluents, ophthalmic solution, respiratory care fluids, irrigation solution, and other medical liquid products. They use advanced manufacturing and packing technologies like ABFS, aseptic blow fill seals, and ISBM, injection stretch blow molding, which help them ensure safety and sterility, crucial in drugs that goes directly into the body. The IPO of Amanta Healthcare opened on 1st September 2025 and closed on 3rd September 2025. The company issued 1 crore fresh equity shares to raise 126 crore. The price band was 120 rupees to 126 rupees per share. Final share price issued was 126. Proceeds from the IPO are earmarked primarily for capacity expansion, setting up new Steriport manufacturing line, a new SVP line at its Gujarat facility, plus general corporate purposes. So, the aim was to scale up the production capacity to meet growing demands of sterile injectables. The IPO got very strong response. Overall subscription was more than 82 times. On listing day 9 September 2025, share debuted at 135 rupees on NSE, about a 7% premium over issue price, and around 134 on BSE. That indicates optimism among the investors about the company's growth prospects. For retail investors, a minimum lot of 119 shares meant initial investment of rupees 14,994 at the upper price band. Amanta is a niche but vital area in sterile injectables, with high demands in hospitals, clinics, export markets. It uses the modern tech, ABFS and ISBM, and plan to expand capacity a clear positive. However, like all pharma firms producing injectables, regulatory compliance, raw material, price changes, and execution risk matters a lot. Also, while the listing popped, long-term performance, which depend on how will they scale up and maintain quality. If you are considering investing, this IPO offers exposure to a relatively under-the-radar pharmaceutical niche with potential growth. But it's not without risk. As always, check their quarterly performance, understand the pharma industry dynamics, and maybe treat this as a medium to long term bet. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts or questions in the comments.